Hi everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel Maple Garments and Tailors. Today we are going to teach you how to make a sari quick and easy way. So let's start the video. This is we took this fabric, and this is very beautiful and nice fabric. For the beginners, you can try this fabric to make a sari by your own. So this is total 6 yards. So this is the pallu side. From this side we will measure 90 inches, 2.5 yards, and we will mark it like this. Make a thick mark. This is 90 inches and this is the border side, and here we will take the length, measure the length and mark it proper. Just to be careful about the length of a sari. This is we are gonna take a 40 inches length. So mark it here. Now let's make the plates. Each plate is 5 inches almost, and we are going to make a 7 plates. Fold it like this. Now you will see. Now mark here, following the first mark like this, and fold it back like this, and make the 7 plates in the same process. Fold it and fold it and fold it. This is very easy, it's not difficult. You can make your own sari. You can try. In a previous video you have learned about how to make a princess cut blouse. So here we are making a sari for the blouse. You can see these are 7 plates. Now pin them together. Place them on the table carefully and pin them together. So it will be easy for you to cut it and sew it after you pin them together. Pin them and press them lightly straight to straighten like this. Now this is here we mark the length of the sari. We will start cutting from here. This is almost 6 inches. We will leave a 1 inch seam allowance. We will mark the same. Six inches and 6 inches. Now leave a 1 inch seam allowance and cut it. Always whenever you are cutting your dresses, always leave a half inches or 1 inch for a seam allowance. This is very important. So now the cutting is done. This is not the waste material. We will make the sari belt with this fabric like this. We will fold it from both sides and press it and make the sari belt. Now we will twist it like this and we will sew it. So let's start sewing. First of all, you have to make a seam line on the plates, and then we can remove the pins. They are attached together. Now we will take this belt and we will start to attach it with the sari. Now here, turn it back and sew it twice. Now we will fold it like this and we will lightly press it, and it will help us to sew it. Now this fabric, you have to fold it like this. Now fold it like this, and now you can see this is done. Now we will make an upper stitch here, so it will be folded properly. Now this is the inner side border. Now you will fold it and sew it like this. And this is done. Now let's sew the belt. Follow the process step by step. Watch the full video and it will not easy to make your own sari at home. Trust me, this is so easy. And yes, this is, you can see this is done. Now take the extra fabric, left of the fabric, and fold it like this. Make the little plates a half inches or inches plate like this. Make a lot of plates. Make a rough stitch like this and sew them together. Now you can see looks like this. Now cut it from here. Now fold it from both sides like this and press it. Now cut the extra fabric. Now we will attach it with the belt of the sari, but first of all you have to measure the waist, the desired waist you are making. Mark the waist, and now let's attach it together like this. We'll attach it from the both of the sides, you will see. If you are sewing first time, and then you should be careful about the fabric. Don't choose the heavy fabric or a difficult fabric which is difficult to handle. Choose a lightweight and simple material to make sari first time. Now take the stitch opener and remove that rough stitch from the center. This is so easy, you can see this is ready. Now take the hooks like this. You can see, take 2 hooks. I will show you where you have to put them. Put 1 hook here with the help of a needle and thread. Make sure you attach them together strong, very strong. This is done, and take the other hook and place it on the corner of the inner side of sari like this, and this is ready. You can see the look. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you like it, make your own sari at home. Bye bye. Take care.